In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Google Authenticator to Gmail. Adding Google Authenticator is part of turning on two-step verification, which helps protect your Gmail account. With this enabled, signing in requires your password and a time-based code from the Authenticator app. This makes it much harder for someone else to access your account, even if they know your password. First, open a web browser on your computer or phone and go to google.com. From there, head into your Google account security settings. Look for the option called two-step verification. Select it, and if you are prompted to sign in, enter your Google account credentials to continue. This sign-in is normal since you are changing a security setting. Once you are inside the two-step verification section, you will see different ways to add a second step. Find the option labeled Authenticator or a link that says something like Set up Authenticator. Select that option to begin the setup process. Now pick up your phone and open the Google Authenticator app. Make sure you are using the official app and that your phone's date and time are set correctly, because the codes depend on accurate time. Follow the on-screen prompts in your Google account to connect the app. In most cases, you will be shown a QR code that you scan with the Authenticator app to add your Google account. If you see an option to add an account in the app, use it and then scan the code. After you add the account in Google Authenticator, the app will start generating a 6-digit code that changes every few seconds. Go back to the two-step verification page where you started the setup. Enter the current 6-digit code from the Authenticator app into the field provided, then click Verify. If the code is accepted, your Authenticator method is successfully linked. For best results, keep your phone secure and avoid sharing your codes with anyone. When you sign in going forward, you will open Authenticator and enter the latest 6-digit code when prompted. And that is all there is to it.